on, Tobe. Bring it over. Come on. Nice. It's way out there, girl.
Yeah.
It's out there. Marble, you be quiet. Pico. Come here, Peek. Come on. Good girl, Keely. Good girl. All right, Pete. Good boy. Ready, guys? Come on, Marble. Okay. Where's the ball?
Where's the ball?
I think they're a little afraid of Pico.
They didn't take it.
Where's the ball, guys? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Okay, Keely. Okay. There it is. Come on, guys. Come on. Ready? Leo's growling away over here. He hasn't stopped. What is he doing? He's just running. Okay, a couple more in the water. Marble! A couple more in the water, and then we'll walk. Come on, Marble, bring it over. Bring the ball. All right, all right. Bring the ball. Come on, Marble. Come on. You got to give it up. Yay.
What happened?
All right, Marble, let's go. Give it over here. Come on. Mark. Come on. Mark, come on. All right, that may be... All right, Marble, come on. I know what I'll do.
You have another one.
I have another toy. I don't think they like it that much. It's a squeaky toy. Run, Toby, run. All right, Toby. Run, Tobe. Toby, come on. Bring it over.
ماشي. Oh, really? Yeah. Nani?
Well,
Yeah.
Lisa says next time we should go to Greenwich. Greenwich you would love.
What is that?
Greenwich, Connecticut.
Oh, yeah. Totally.
But you know what? It's a more rustic environment, and they have a river. And the river is really clean. But the only thing is that there's rocks. And they start to run like maniacs. Where's the stick, Pete? Where's the stick? Filthy. I'm gonna take a picture of you filthy. I like when their paws at the bottom. They look like they're wearing high heels. Come on, Keel. Where's the ball? What did you do with it? Oh, you hear that hawk?
Yeah, I see them. Oh, there are 3
Where?
up here.
Oh,
Wow.
those are hawks?
Yeah,
You think they're looking down at us?
probably.
Holy shit. Wow. Are you getting footage of that?
Yeah. I got the sound too.
Pig. Beautiful. Piggy. He go. I'm dying to pick one of these dogs up. Ready? Toby! Toby! He goes. You're a good hunter, Finn. Yeah. Marble, where are you going? Marble! Look at this crazy marble. We're going to the field. Come on. Let's go to the field. Okay. Okay. Are you filming it?
Yeah.